The ocean has many colors, and as an artist, I'm very inspired by everything I see underwater, the way that the light filters through the water, the various shifting colors and mists. I really wanted to create a mural that would be representative of the amazing experiential learning opportunities available at FGCU. I had the pleasure of conducting a 2-year research assistantship with Fester Marine Field Station, and this is kind of a reflection on how amazing that experience was. My experiences underwater have been absolutely surreal. Every time I dive, I feel like I'm having a lucid dream. It's a completely different world. You're totally weightless. I would love to encourage students to get involved. Art students, this could be you in the future.